there's a couple things that make this problem more complicated than it might look initially. One of those things is that the glass comes in 8 by 10 inch measurements and the window is in feet. Okay, so that's a little bit complicated. I think I'm just gonna find the area though for this window in square feet, just because it's already in feet, and if I change it to inches, the numbers will get so big, and that just ends up being awkward. So let's start with that. It says the glass he wants to use what is the minimum number of panes he will need to buy his complete project? So obviously we're going to need to find the area of the window first. Well, this is nice and easy, 48 square feet, okay? But what about this top part here? Well, notice the radius here of this semicircle is going to be 4, okay? And you know that to find the area of a circle, it's pi r squared, right? Okay, but this is just half of a circle, so we're going to have pi times 4 squared, which is 16, divided by 2 because it's just half of a circle. So technically what we have here is 8 pi. So this up here is 8 pi. Now I have it in 8 pi right now. I'll probably change it to an actual number here in a minute, but I'm going to leave pi as pi for right now. Okay, so we have a total of 48 plus 8 pi square feet that we need covered with window panes, okay? The glass, though, comes in an 8 by 10 inch pane. So, first of all, what I want you to see is that this is an 80 square inches. There's 80 square inches in one pane. Do you see that? All right. So what I'm going to recommend is that we change 80 square inches into square feet. You can do that. You know how to do that. There's 12 inches in 1 foot, so here we have a conversion factor, but we have to use 2 conversion factors because it's square inches, okay? So it's both of these inches that help us cancel that. So then we get 80 divided by 144 square feet. So what does that equal? Well, if I take 80 divided by 144, I get 0.5 repeating, okay? So that is equal to 0.5, I'm just going to say repeating for right now because I don't want to lose my accuracy here. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, so this is the amount of square footage for one window pane. So this is for one window pane, okay? But we need enough for all of this. Well, I think now is the time to figure out what 48 plus 8 times pi is. Times pi, and that is equal to about 73. I'm coming up with 73.13 square feet, right? Okay, so I need 73.13 square feet. One window pane covers 0.55. So I'm going to just have to divide. Okay, I'm going to have to take 73.13 divided by 0.5 square feet. Okay, and so if you still have this all in your calculator, you could enter 73.13 divided by, if you divided by 80 over 144, that will keep you from losing the rounding errors, and you should end up with, I'm thinking about 132 panes, 132 when you do this division. Let me just double check that to make sure. Divided by 80 over 144. I got 131.6. Yep, that's right. So 132 panes because you're not going to you can't go to the hardware store and just get one window pane. Okay, hope that made sense.